Very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to your English learning class with Manpreet Kaur. Today we have come up with the topic of interjection. Interjection. Today we will be completing the topic that is interjection. This is the last topic of parts of speech. We have completed all the 7 parts of speech. You can go and check out that videos also. And today we will be doing this interjection. Before we will be starting, I'll request you please subscribe my channel so that I can be motivated to make more such learning videos. So let's begin with the interjection. I have written some sentences related to the interjection. Then I'll be telling you the definition of interjection. After that, I'll be giving you some more examples to make it more clear. Hooray! We have won the match. I have made a blunder. Oh, I was so frightened. Alas, he is dead. Hush! Don't make a noise. Hello, what's the matter? So, you must have noticed that in each and every sentence, my expression was different. Why? Because interjection is this only. It is to express your feeling or emotion. Our feeling can be in a positive way also. Means when we are very happy, that is the good feeling. When we are sad, when we are excited, when we are curious, when we are keen to know more things. So these are all the feelings. Interjection itself represents a feeling or emotion. So these words like hooray, oh, alas, shh, hello. These words, what are they representing? They are representing a feeling. A feeling. That is my feeling. Wow, yes, we have won the match. Excitement. I have made a blunder. Negative feeling. So it's a feeling or emotion. Or emotion. That is a feeling or emotion which we say in form of these words. Which we present in form of these words. And just keep in your mind that these words do not have any grammatical sense with these sentences. Means, what is this? I can't say, does it have any grammatical sense? No, it is just my feeling. So, it is neither a noun, adverb, pronoun, it is nothing. It doesn't have any grammatical sense with the rest of the sentence. It is just our emotion. That is represented by an exclamatory mark. That is represented by an exclamatory mark. An interjection will always have an exclamatory mark. What is an exclamatory mark? This is an exclamation mark. Which mark is this? Exclamation mark. Whenever you have to use these types of words, you have to put this exclamation mark. Without this, your sentence will be incomplete. Okay? Got it? Now see, let's start with the definition. With a proper definition, word to word definition, that will be more clear to you now. This is the definition. What is this? Definition. An interjection, just listen carefully, an interjection is group of words or a word. It is a group of words or a single word that express some sudden feeling or emotion of the mind or the heart, and it's represent a sudden feeling When you fall down, you say, ouch, you say. So this is a feeling and this is an interjection. When you come first in your class, what do you say? Wow, mama, I came first in my class. So this is a certain feeling. So it is a feeling or emotion of the mind. Now I'll be telling you the words, happy words, sad words, these words. Okay, before that you can just note it down. Now these are the emotions that they express, who express interjections. Now when you are in joy, when you are in sorrow, when you are in surprise, when you are being appreciated by someone, when you're calling someone, when you're drawing someone's attention, or making or becoming silent, then I'll give you just an idea that if you are in this type of emotion, then which is the right word in English which you can use so that your sentence becomes more beautiful and you can draw someone attention towards you. Wow, look at him, he is using such as good words in English. So you can use these words when you're having these type of emotions. So just listen carefully that it will be used by you when you will be in this state of mind. First, when you're in joy, means you are very happy, you're really happy or in joy. What you will use? Hooray! Haha! You can use these two types of words. You can use more types, but I will just give you an idea. When you are in sorrow, means some sad thing is happening around you, or you have gone to some place where you have to give your emotion as you are sad. So what you will say? Alas, oh, you will be using these types of words. Okay, these types of words cannot be used in the place of joy, and the joy words cannot be used in this type of sorrow place of mind. Okay, just keep this thing in your mind. When you're in surprise, someone gives you a surprise birthday party, you will say, oh my god, you say, na? And oh, what? When something has happened to your near ones or dear ones and someone is telling you, you're gossiping, what do you say? Oh, what? What? Oh, acha. You use these types of words, isn't it? So when you're in surprise, you can use, oh, what? And when you have been appreciated and you want to appreciate someone, if you want to appreciate your child, or you want to appreciate your brother, sister, or anyone, siblings, what you can say? Bravo! You did well. Here, very nice. You can use these types of words. When you are calling someone, what you will say? Hey, no. What you will say? Hello, listen. Or ha, come, listen. You can use these types of words. When you have to draw someone's attention to you, means you have 4 to 5 persons are sitting in a room and you want to speak something but no one is listening to you, no one is paying connected to you. What you will stand and say, oh look, isn't it? Acha, listen. So everyone will like this. He is going to tell something, let me listen to him. Then behold, if everybody is just making noise, you'll say behold. So everyone will be sitting like this. Okay, he is going to speak something. Let's listen to him. So if you want to draw someone's attention, you can use these types of words. Now, if you are making or becoming silent, if you are sitting in a class or sitting in a place where everyone is talking, you like this, or you'll just stand and say like this, hush. Everyone will be quiet, isn't it? If you want to make someone silent, and if you yourself is talking, so if other person will say shh, what you will do? You will also keep quiet. So this was the topic of interjection. Now I have given you the words also and given you the idea also that how, where and to whom you want to say these types of words. I hope the parts of speech, interjection itself is clear to you. If you enjoy reading it with me, enjoyed your classes, please subscribe my channel and like my channel, and please share it with your near and dear ones so that they can also learn this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.